Producing music with FL Studio and have an FFP project file to work with? This format stores complete music production projects from ImageLine FL Studio. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and manage these FL Studio project files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for FFP file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. An FFP file is a project created by FL Studio, a popular digital audio workstation, DAW. Users encounter this file when saving their music compositions, which include patterns, mixer settings, VST plugin data, and references to audio samples. The primary user intent is to save, reopen, and continue working on a musical piece. The FFP format is a proprietary binary container designed by ImageLine to efficiently store the complex state of a music project. It uses a chunk-based structure to serialize plugin states, automation clips, and arrangement data. This binary design ensures fast loading times and protects the intellectual property of the software's internal workings. ImageLine defined FL Studio as the application primarily intended for FFP. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows provides only the basics for audio playback. Full production features require audio software. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the FFP file and select Open With. Test FL Studio if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the FFP format uniquely. If the FFP file won't budge, stay calm. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here's a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, opening in FL Studio. Install FL Studio from ImageLine and double-click the FFP file to open it. FL Studio loads the complete project including all patterns, playlist tracks, mixer settings, and instrument configurations. Ensure all reference sample files and plugins are available to avoid missing audio assets. Next, using lifetime updates. FL Studio offers free lifetime updates, so older project files generally open in current versions with format conversion. If you have an older FFP file, install the latest FL Studio version, which automatically upgrades the project format on save, preserving the original work in current format. Finally, exporting to audio files. To share project content without requiring FL Studio, export the project as WAV, MP3, or other audio formats through file export. This creates standalone audio files playable anywhere. For collaboration with non-FL Studio users, export individual stems for further mixing in other DAWs. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.